Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an item from your bag in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see one number here. In this case, press on it and you will be able to see your items in the back here. And if you want to delete an item, you can just press on the minus symbol and you will see that the item is going to disappear. Now in my case this was the only item in my shopping bag, so that was the only one that was in this page, and now that it disappeared, the page is empty for me. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.